Hello dear friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you how you can unblock a person in Messenger on iPhone. Please subscribe to channel, write comments. Let's get started. To do this on an iPhone or iPad, we go to Facebook Messenger. Next we need to click when we have opened our account. Appears chats, call, people history. In the upper left corner, 3 bars. Next, click Settings here, click Privacy and Safety, click Blocked Accounts, find blocked users. If we want to unblock a person in Facebook, we also click Unblock and Facebook, and the person will be unblocked. Like this, click Unblock, and unblock again. If you like this video and Pomagadil, then be sure to subscribe to the channel. Write comments to see what you want to see in the next video. Thank you all for watching it to the end. Bye, everybody.